O tout cure à tout tâche. Tout tâche occur when extremely sensitive central portion of the tooth, called pulp, be comme inflamed. Tiquant à peine for a variety of reasons, calvitie, ablo toute, oran infection of the gum. Tac à pinquiller. Non-stéroïdal anti-inflammatory drug, Z, sucha aspirine en ibuprofène, which provide kick, effective relief for most minor tout tâche. Avigne trobigne tout quand impede your ability to eat, speak, en jette tout slup. I also more difficult to treat tout tâche when you're in pain, so jetting some relief from en ovete cointe pain médecine quand il. If te pain et intense en barre oblique ou quand felit radiatigna tout ote nekboring area sucha your ear, id, ortra, ten en emergency appui intme to your dentist in necessary. Usons lit recommanded dosage printed don't package, orte dosage recommanded by your doctor. Tylenol y a noté effective ovete cointe pinquillé. Appli à cold compress. Filafo de storage bag witis, coveito itatin clot papetoel, en appli it directly tout orte chic area juste zide te tout. Te col température will el pèse te pain. Using is pack instead of a bag will have the same effect, bub surtout coveito itatoel. Te rare case of pulpity when te pain câlin don with a warm temperature. If te pain increase with te col pack, switch to a warm compress. Dono appli te is directly tout. Ti will increase te pain, especially since tet inflamed by tout tâche are often kit sensitive to hot or cold temperature. Ntarea. Bui en ovete cointe tout en gomme bi gel to el pèse te trobing for a feur. Te the gel are applié directly tout affected area en usually work for several hours, bu saliva dilute effect of the gel en spread it don your traor over your tongue so donos valo en i. Clean your mouth te rougli. Sommetim tout a charcozet bis mal piece of fota have goten lodged int tout en ar exacerbating te pain of cavice or gingivity. When ti it case, to rougli cleaning your mouth can go along wet over eliminating te pain en making te problem go away. Floss around te tout. Mac sur te floss go up to your gum. Sweep it back en fort across te tout saute a it pick up en i particle ta have lodged. Brush tarea. If your ashi caused by gingivity, ti on of the best way to as te pain. Brush your tête for several minutes, concentrating on te pain full area. Qui brush i, un tilt area no longe fil a sensitive. Usa rinçant. Finish te cleaning by using mouthwash to rinse away dislodged particle. Or pour a fait drop of the propolis into half of a glass of water en use to rinse your mouth. Keep it up. Use ti routine twice a day, every day, en keep using it after te pain subside. Use a salt rinse. A tout tâche caused by a blow tout aura 1000 infection might go away on yon. To help it along, macarons with warm water en a spoon full of salt. When to salt dissolve, gargle the water in your mouth, making sure it splash around affected area. Repea several time day until te pain subside. Kno when to set doctor. If te tout tâche caused by a major infection or tout de cas, it on go away on yon. You should sa doctor or dentist if you experience the following symptom along with te tout tâche. Affavé en chile. Ti could be asintat infection is sur you ante symptom will jet vorse. Discharge. Again, you don't want to risk letting a bad infection jet vorse. Pinta gros vorse en haut on go away, even after taking medication. You could have a cavity tage vorse after every meal. Te pain in a wisdom tout. Manipe up le have to jet ser wisdom t'être mauvais if te tête gros in a angle ta croûte mout. You have troubles swallowing your breathing, which may be caused by an abscess. Jet a feeling. If you have a cavity tai exposing te nerve of your tête, leading to pain, te dentist may decide to put a feeling to protect te nerve in te pulp from getting overstimulated. Jet a root canal. If you have a dental abscess, which happen when te pulp of te tooth infected, a root canal will be performed. Dentiste clean ainsi de oft tout jet rid of infection. Since procedure mab pinful, te moot in bed with local anesthesia beforehand, et specially if the dentist perform a surgical drainage of abscess through the gum. Jet à toute extraction. In some cases tout bayon repère, en te best course to jet it taken out. In the case of habitat, en extraction almost alve performed, since te tête are going to fall out eventually anyway. A du WHO jet en extraction often jet bridge or dental implant to make up for lost tooth. In the case of wisdom teeth, toute extraction almost alve performed because the functional advantage in one of the best position of the tooth de no allow for a proper root canal treatment. In some cases, when patients are scared or the wisdom tooth is severely impacted, patient can be under general anesthesia. Recovery tac avec corso. Applique Lovol. Tia home remedy set cure oralis test pain of a tout chantilly glawe on ion. Rubafed drop ont affecté toute several team day un tilt h glawe. Clovol camb found da most drugstore. Triar liquor. Titim vor nom remedy as te pain of a tout h, but it probably on curit. Sti, a use full frequent hi caused biablo or amil infection ta will go away after a fede. Pour some whisky or vodka on a coton ballant apply it tout affected tout. If te gomme become red or irritated, then stop using the method. Clean with hydrogen peroxide. T procedure will clean area, en can help to as te pain. Be surtout rinse your mouth with water, en absolutely refrain from swallowing the peroxide. Deep acute in hydrogène peroxide, en surigne saturation. Apply the peroxide liberally tout affected area. Triant acupressure technique to stop tout pain fast. With your tombe, press the point on the back of your toe en haut or the base of your tombe en your index finger. Apply pressure for about 2 minutes. Help trigger te roll the off endorphin, te brinfel good hormone. All pulling. Swish un TBSP of coconut in your mouth for 15-20 minutes. Te racle un tati reduce tamu into harmful bacteria in t mouth. When you swish te all, te bacteria jet stuck in te all. Te bacteria, avec la plaque caused by bacteria removed. After 15-20 minutes spit out te all ato a garbage can. Don't swallow it. You will be swallowing the bacteria in the all if you swallow it. You also should not put all in the drain, it can harden and cause it to clog.